Ashley, what are you doing?
Coloring.
What are you coloring?
I'm coloring a monkey.
Wow. Where we at?
Rainforest Cafe.
Wow. What are we gonna do after this?
We're gonna go to Yellow Bobbles.
Doing yellow bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a lot of fun.
I know. We got stars, shooting stars. Monkeys go crazy.
Erica, you're gonna be so jealous because we're gonna go to Yellow Bobbles. Hey,
Okay, wait, that's not. What? Okay.
Can you give me some jealous? You're gonna get an Yellow Bobbles.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's kind of blurry. Monkey over there.
I colored the gorilla.
Yeah.
I colored the gorilla blue, and now I'm coloring the monkey blue.
Alright. Good job there. Yeah, pretty.
Now with the Larson uniform, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
I can't believe I'm scared of a snake.
It was high, baby.
I don't care if the skyscraper's high at all. It's gonna be really fun. I think it goes up to like 400 feet.
It's pretty high.
It's gonna be like as high as about as high as the Superman. Is that the stratosphere? Because it's getting really far and wide.
Yeah.
I bet it's because the stratosphere is probably different.
What?
I bet the stratosphere is probably different.
What?
Those are pretty. Oh!
Got it. Did you get it?